Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you Startimes customer care number of South Africa. So if you are in South Africa and you want to call Startimes for help, or you want to activate a new decoder and you like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen shortly, but for you to check it from your menu, all you got to do is to pick up your Startimes remote and press on the menu button, which is the M button on your remote. And from the menu, search from the list and then put it on self-service. Press OK on it, and from the self-service page, you come down to the last option, which is the contact us. And we have some number listed over here with a flag attached to it. So you search from the list the South African flag with a number which is attached to it. Then you call. So the number will be highlighted on your screen, which is the 011-5829988. So you pick it and then you call them for help. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.